Hello, Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back to my new tutorial of our TIE portal. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the conversion operations in TIE portal. So let's see how I am using the conversion operation. So why use the conversion operation? First of all, we are going to use yet, and I am going to use real, and I am going to convert it to integer. Now I am going to use that MW0 there. Sorry, it needs the real MW10, and I am going to change it to MW0. So I am going to compile that and download into my PLC. So when I am going to online here, you will see how it will convert into. There's I am going to modify that, change that display format to decimal. So now I am going to, first of all I am going online. Yeah, I think I am going to energize that. I am going to use 5.0 there. So you will see it will convert into 5. If I am going to modify that to 5.6, so you will see it will directly convert it into 6, because that's how real to integer conversion. It will use to convert from one data type to another. If I am going to change that integer there, and I am going to choose the real there, so you will see how it will go into it. Use MW0 there, and MD12 there. Now I am going to compile that and download into my PLC. You will see it will convert our integer to real. I am going to modify that, select into decimal. I am going to select a floating point there. Now I am going to put 7. You will see it will convert into 7.0. So that's how integer to real conversion or conversion operations or conversion blocks work. So I am going to change that. Now I am going to use down. I am going to use MD12 there and MD16 to select real also there. So you will see how it will convert. I am going to compile that, download into my PLC. I am going online. So you will see it will round off our figure. So I am going to change again that and then display format to floating point. If I am going to use 7.2, you will see it will 7.4. So you will see it will round off and giving us 7.01. If I am going to change it to 7.6, so you will see it will round off over here. 0.6. So you will see it will show us 8. So that's how it says round our values to rounding our values. Now I'm going to delete that. That's how the both function will. Now I'm going to use transaction there. Now I'm going to use MD12 also. And I'm going to same use as a real as MD16. It will convert our positive value to negative. If I am using negative, so it will convert it to positive. Going online, you will see the value of our 7.6. It will convert into, I'm going to enter modify operand, I'm going to enter 7. Why it is not converting? I am just going to offline, W0, W2, first select as MW12, MD12. I am selecting integer there. So let's see it's going to work or not. I am going to download into my PLC. Going online. display format to decimal. Why it will not converting? It will shows us negative value. So I'm going to just show you from directly from there. You will see how it will transit some value. But is why I don't know it was not showing. You will see in values is 1.5 and out value is 1.5. So you will see it will be in value is our 1 and output is -1. So it will convert value to 1 and -1. I'm going to change it to my 1.5 to check. And it will show us 1. After 1, you will see it will show us 1. How it I don't take take the value, but it will convert into negative. But I don't know why it's not converting. So thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, like my video, and comments if you don't understand anything. And in the description I give my contacts or whatever you want. I give also links of Windows Software SCADA, Ignition SCADA, and FactoryTalk tutorials as well. So if you want to watch my videos. In the future video, I am going to discuss scale X and normal X as well. So wait for the video. Wait for